In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Facebook Messenger. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot website, which you can easily do by typing hubspot.com in your browser. Once you've landed on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login interface where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do so because you'll need full access to your account to proceed with these steps. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. This is essentially your dashboard where you manage various aspects of your business operations. Now you'll need to find the marketplace icon. This icon will lead you to a hub of apps integration options that HubSpot offers to enhance your operational capabilities. It's usually represented by a small grid or icon, so keep an eye out for it on your home interface. Once you've clicked on the marketplace icon, you'll want to navigate to the apps section. This section is dedicated to viewing and installing different apps that can integrate with HubSpot. It's laid out in such a way to give you a comprehensive view of all the available applications, making it easy for you to find what you need. Now with the apps library open, it's time to locate Facebook Messenger. You can either scroll through the list or use the search feature, which is often quicker and more efficient if you're in a hurry. Simply type in Facebook Messenger and it should appear among the search results. With Facebook Messenger in sight, click on it to open the app details page. Here you'll see various options and details about what the app can do when integrated with HubSpot. Spend a moment browsing through the information if you like, but when ready, find the Install App button. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. After clicking Install App, follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to finalize the connection. These might include confirming your Facebook account details and granting permissions necessary for HubSpot and Facebook Messenger to communicate effectively. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully connected HubSpot with Facebook Messenger. This integration can help streamline your communication process, making it easier to manage customer interactions directly from your HubSpot interface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insightful tips and tutorials.